We all know that investing is essential for building wealth, but it's also filled with potential pitfalls. In this journey, there are certain common mistakes that many investors make which can have a detrimental impact on their financial success. Today, in this video, I will highlight 8 such mistakes that you must avoid at all costs if you want to be a successful investor. Let's begin. Number 1, putting all your money into high-return assets. If your investment horizon is more than 5 years, do not put all your eggs in one basket, even if you have a high-risk appetite. Investing all your money in very sophisticated and high-return generating assets is like walking on a tightrope. You could potentially lose everything. The key is to strike a balance between high potential and low-risk options based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. Second, taking loans to invest. Never, ever take loans to invest. The only money you should use for investment is your savings. Remember, investing involves risk, and using borrowed money can exacerbate those risks. It's wise to always invest from your own funds. If you need to borrow money, it's usually better to use it for necessities rather than investing. Third, delaying investment. One of the biggest mistakes is thinking, "I'll start investing later." This is known as the ostrich effect. Many people assume that they can time the market perfectly or avoid losses by waiting for the right moment. But in reality, they end up costing themselves thousands of dollars in potential profits. Remember, time is your greatest ally in investing. Start early and let compounding interest work its magic. Don't wait. Begin today. Fourth, over-diversification. While diversification is generally a good strategy, over-diversifying can also be a mistake. When you spread your investments too thin, you can reduce your overall returns and make it difficult to manage your portfolio effectively. Each asset class has its own risk and return profile, and over-diversification may mean that you're not fully taking advantage of the potential of your investments. Fifth, constantly checking prices. We live in an age where everything is just a click away. However, constantly checking your investment prices and refreshing your app every few minutes is not a smart strategy. This behavior is often driven by fear and anxiety, and it can negatively impact your mental well-being. Trust your investment strategy and give it time to play out. Sixth, believing any investment is 100% safe. Even fixed deposits come with their own risks. For instance, if a bank goes under, your fixed deposits might not be safe either. So, it's super important to realize that no investment is completely risk-free. Fixed deposits might seem safe, but they can still have downsides. Always do your homework, spread out your investments, and keep an eye on the potential risks before diving in. Seventh, blindly following stock tips and trends. What works for one person may not necessarily work for another. Many investors blindly follow stock tips or jump on trends without considering their own financial circumstances and investment goals. This can lead to poor investment decisions and potential losses. Always do your own research, assess your own needs, and consider seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor before making any investment move. And the last, getting emotionally attached. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of a business. And like any business, some will succeed while others may struggle. It's crucial to remain rational and objective when making investment decisions. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Ask yourself if it was a logical, profitable exit strategy. If yes, then execute it. Avoiding these mistakes is crucial for long-term success in investing. Remember, it's not about getting rich quickly, but rather making smart choices that can help you grow your wealth steadily over time. Do you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.